Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series on electrical installation, maintenance and testing. In the last class, we have discussed the testing of power cable and we have found that we are interested for the location, fault location, and we can use the Murray loop test for this fault location. The last point of this syllabus is testing of the transformer. We know that the transformer is the heart of power system. So, if this transformer is failed or is in the failure state, then there is a huge loss of revenue, and if we are not replacing the transformer with the new transformer, then we can say that there will be a shutdown for long time. Hence, we have to make the test on the transformer. This test can be a type test, this test can be a routine test. So, if one can do the test on the transformer, then the operator ensures the continuity of use of the transformer. So, this is the heading called as testing of transformer. Now, the testing is carried out as per the IS 2026. So, it can be the routine test, type test, or sometimes it is a special test. Now, what is the meaning of routine test? Routine test means is to be carried out on each job. So that is called as a routine test. We are interested for the measurement of winding resistance, measurement of insulation resistance, the separate source voltage withstand test. So that is called as a high voltage test on high voltage and low voltage side. The fourth routine test is induced overvoltage withstand test, that is also called as DVDF test. The fifth test is the measurement of voltage ratio. The sixth test is measurement of no load loss and current. It can be the measurement of load loss and impedance, so finding out the efficiency and the regulation. And the important test is oil breakdown voltage test. So these tests are to be carried out for the transformer. Now, what are the type tests? It means that these tests are carried out only on the one transformer of the lot. Consider if there is a factory of manufacturer of the transformer, so that company or the industry manufactures 100 transformers in a day. So that is a medium scale industry. Yes. Then among the 100 transformer, we have to pick any one transformer and we have to apply this type test. It means that if that one transformer out of 100 is pass this test, then we can say that that lot, that 100 transformers are or can work satisfactory. Now, this type test consists of all the routine test, obviously, and this type test consists of some special test, that is called as a lightning impulse test. Now, there can be a special test also. So, apart from routine test, apart from type test, we are conducting this special test also. It is not part of your syllabus, but for the knowledge purpose, we will see this special test. Now, it includes additional impulse test, it includes short circuit test, it includes measurement of zero phase sequence impedance test, then measurement of acoustic noise level, measurement of harmonics of the no load current, and magnetic balance sheet test. So these are called as special test. So we have seen the three tests to be carried out on the transformer. First is the routine test, type test, and special test. In the next class, we will discuss all these tests along with the circuit diagram in detail. Thank you. God bless you all.